Hi, my name's Colin Donaldson, and I'm going to be talking about muscle contraction on the cellular level. Here we have a single muscle fiber, and this right here is called a myofibril, which is what contracts the muscle. And as you can see, there's many of them within a single muscle fiber, and this is a close-up of that. Those two brown lines are called Z-discs, and the center is an H zone, and together they make the sarcomere. And as you can see, there's red and brown lines across. The red line is a thick myosin filament, and the brown line is a thin actin filament. Here's a close-up of those filaments, which are vital in the contraction of the muscle. The bottom is the thick myosin, and that's the reason it's the thick is because of the heads, it's wider. And the thin actin is up here, and it's those little units, the circles. And around it are troponin, the green things, and tropomyosin, which covers the connecting points. When a nerve sends a signal to the muscles to contract, it releases calcium, which are these white particles, and those uncover the connecting points when they bind to the tropomyosin and troponin. And then the myosin head connects to the actin, and this is called a cross bridge. Then the myosin head moves towards the center of the sarcomere, pulling the actin with it, and this is called a power stroke. And at this point, it releases ADP and phosphate. Then once the muscle gets where it needs to, it releases ATP, which connects to the myosin head and detaches it from the actin. Then the calcium rebinds the tropomyosin on top of the connecting points of the actin, and they go back to the normal positions. And here's a wider scale photo of that. On top is before the power stroke and cross bridge, and the bottom is during a muscle contraction. On the top, you can see the purple is the thick filament with myosin heads coming off of it, and the yellow and green is the actin and tropomyosin, and that middle line is the center of the sarcomere with the Z-discs right here. As you can see at the bottom, the myosin heads have attached, and they have pulled the actin to the center of the sarcomere, and as you can see by the arrows, it's causing the muscle to contract, as you can see from the Z-discs have moved. And that is how muscle contraction works on the cellular level. Thank you.